Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to transfer XRP from your MetaMask wallet to your Phantom wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, knowing how to move your assets securely is crucial for staying ahead. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need MetaMask installed on your browser with some XRP in it, and Phantom Wallet on your mobile or desktop. If you haven't added the XRP network to MetaMask yet, head over to the settings and add the Ripple network details. That's key for 2025 compatibility. Look for the network name like XRP Mainnet and input the RPC URL, which you can find on official Ripple docs. Now, open your Phantom wallet and copy the receiving address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Back in MetaMask, go to your XRP asset, hit Send, and paste that Phantom address into the recipient field. Don't forget to set the amount you want to transfer and check the gas fees. In 2025, these might be optimized, but always confirm they're reasonable to save on costs. Before you hit Confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're good, approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it should only take a minute or two to process, depending on network congestion. After it's done, hop back to Phantom and refresh your wallet. Voila, your XRP should be there. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check that both wallets are on the same network and that you have enough for fees. There you have it. Transferring XRP between wallets in 2025 is easier than ever with these steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space, and I'll see you in the next video.